TI was my first job, and I knew very quickly, and I realized very quickly the culture that TI has and the impact that it has in the community. Hi, my name is Mohammad Yunus, and I work at Texas Instruments. I was born and raised in India, and I moved to the United States to go to grad school. And right after college and completing my grad school, I moved to Dallas to start working for TI. Today, at TI, I lead the technology and manufacturing organization, and I have the opportunity to work with TIers globally. And one thing that I see that is common, no matter where a TI office is and where a TIer is located, is all of them have the same passion for having a positive impact on the community. As TIers and as a company, our ambition and our values is to create an environment where our neighbors, our community is proud to have us. And for me, that resonates very closely because in the communities that we operate right here in North Texas, TI has a great impact on the people that live in our communities. You cannot walk anywhere in Dallas without seeing the impact of TI and the founders of the company and the community around us. Growing up in India, of course, I saw poverty and also people struggling with access to food. And I have seen that some of our communities right here in North Texas also have similar challenges with access to food and also nutrition. So that's something that me and my family feel passionate about, and that's been actually a personal motivator for me to spend more time volunteering, to give back more. Since then, I've had a larger exposure to what United Way does. I also serve on the board of TI Foundation, and through that, I've also seen the multiplier effect, not just of TI Foundation, but also United Way and the broad range of activities and nonprofits that United Way is involved in, and really the strong impact that United Way has on the community. And so my hope is through the work that United Way does, TI Foundation, and many other members in our community, we're able to improve opportunity for people in our community. My name is Mohammad Yunus, and I live united.